Hello everyone. Today we will talk about the Liberty 1959 half dollar. But before we continue, please subscribe to my channel and like my video. So now we start the coin. The 1959 Liberty half dollar, more accurately known as the Franklin half dollar, is worth face-to-face value of the coin. While it is made of silver, its value as a collectible or for its precious metal content is typically higher than its face value. The coin was minted from 1948 to 1963 and is also referred to as the Franklin half dollar. The product is a 1959 Franklin half dollar proof coin. It has a denomination of 50 cents and is composed of silver with fineness of 0.9. The coin was minted in Philadelphia, United States. How do I know if my half dollar is valuable? Number 1, proof coin. Number 2, great condition. 3, hard to find coins. And number 4, misprint on mint marks. Guys, my coin is holding right now is no mint mark. I'm not really sure if this is one of the most valuable coin, but I need to bring this or consult a professional coin dealer maybe soon. So let's continue. How much silver is in 1959 half dollar? The weight 12.5 grams of 900 fine silver with a diameter of 30.6 millimeter, a net silver content of 0.36169 ounces. It was struck at three of the United States Men's Philadelphia, Denver, and San Francisco. Proof coins, which are especially minted for collectors, can be worth significantly more, ranging from $34,000 to $50,000. Circulated condition half dollar in circulated condition is worth around $15 to $18. Uncirculated coin can range from a 20 to 2,000 depending on its grade and mint marks. Always keep in mind that these values are estimated and may vary depending on the coin's condition, rarity, and demand. If you're interested in selling your coin, it's best to consult with a reputable coin dealer or get your coin graded or professional organization. So guys, this the coin of Liberty half dollar. This is the back of the coin. This is a bell, one a big bell. Yeah, this one. Yeah, we'll close up. Half dollar, and this one, and this is the front of the coin. Anyway, guys, I'm sure this is it. Um, I just want to tell you again, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please like my video. Thank you very much.